Observing your thought can be challenging. If you think that you can observe your thoughts easily, it's not easy. You have to keep practice throughout this, and then you can analyze your thoughts. Once it going in negative thoughts, once it going in positive thoughts. Once you begin to realize this, you begin to laughing at yourself. What's your mind doing? Your mind is offering you that this is thought, you have to think on it, and this thought, you have to think on it. And it's became a thought process, and it's became a trap, and you can say loop. And if you trapped in your loop, then you can't break it. If you begin to practice this and analyze your thoughts, once it starts to making a loop, and once it start to giving you thoughts to thinking about it, once you realize this properly with consciously, then you can break your loop. You can beat your all negative thoughts and positive thoughts break down. And if you try this at least one day for a 1 minute in a day, in a single day, that means you are trying a little. It's not going to happen in instantly. You have to regularly try it on and on, and then one day you begin to laugh at yourself. What are you doing? And once you decide that this is my mistake, this is my fully bullies, then you can recognize your thought very simply. And I know that once your mind busy, then you can't have thinking about any unrelatively thought. And once your mind free from the learning, it's began to loaded by negative and positive thoughts. And this is unnecessary thought, this was unnecessary thought, and we promptly began to think about it. But the major fact is that once you say to your mind that this is unnecessary thought, and it's only trapped our mind, you can say my mind, and I can't trap in this loop. I have to break this loop, overcome with this loop, and break out this, and think about the necessary things about your question. And usually we never do it. We never stick on our question. We always think about necessary thought, unnecessary thought. There is no use, but still our mind thinking on that, because this is habit, and habits not break in a one day. It will break in over the year. If you try constantly every single day, then it began to a habit for you. And if you try it to analyzing your thoughts, what's thought come in your mind, and what's thought make a thinking, and what's thought make a loop. If you try to analyze it, it will give you a remarkable result for your mind, and you get at the right pathway. If you try to analyze your thoughts, your thinking, your emotions, then you began to analyze your every single day with consciously, not non-consciously. And if you align subconscious and subconscious, that means you are at the right pathway to analyze your thoughts in the right direction. And if you break the loop and turn its flow in the right direction, that means you are able to understand your thoughts, emotion, all kind of thinking, and you can go in thoughtless state. This is the like of analyzing your thoughts, and I actually try it. I personally believe that if you try to improve yourself, you have to realize your thoughts. What types of what kind of thought trigger in your mind, and when. I really found that, and I'm glad that I'm telling you. Thank you so much.